burgers. Buy burgers. There's this hairband which says happy birthday. Not forgetting the snacks, heart-shaped snacks, sticks. And then we have these potato snacks, more potato snacks. And we have these happy birthday glasses. And we have this hanger which is very useful. Nice. I can hang all my things. And then you have these which is rose deodorant. Water bucket. Snack. Shower mitten. Baby wash mitten. And the pearl